Well, he's asking the question if it has been that hard. I'd say that I'll give you a very good example. How do you easily convince people that are used to putting water in the radiator of their car that the best thing to use is radiator coolant?
It's a personal question.
It's tough. It's a very tough thing to do. How do you convince them that?
Except because that doesn't cost anything and coolant costs money. It will be very hard.
Now, how do you convince people that brake fluid is hygroscopic and you need to replace it at intervals? And because the answer you will get is that, well, there's nothing wrong with my brake. Why do I change the brake fluid? So yes, it has been tough to actually get people to understand that these little things, and I always make an example. I'd say, in my opinion, Nigeria is one of the few countries in the world where there's a massive replacement of powertrain parts. It will be about the highest in the world. Engines replacement, transmission replacement. Nigeria is one of those countries where it is rampantly replaced. It's a huge market. And
Why?
that tells you, yes, it is poor maintenance that is causing it.
Yes.
It is poor maintenance.